Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Leon from No More Lines. I want to make this quick video to do an unboxing of the Pound HD link cable for the original Xbox system. I'm using this to capture a few games I have for the Xbox console, the original one. That one right there, that fat one right there. But basically, I'm trying to find a way to hook it up via HDMI without having to use the component cables. Because the component cables I'm currently using, I'm not able to actually get the actual sound output correctly. So I went ahead and just got this, saw it had really good reviews. This was, I think, $29, I believe. I bought it off Amazon. And basically, as you can see, this is what comes in the box. It basically has the actual link cable itself, and it comes with the 6-foot HDMI cable. So I just wanted to show you all this, and actually I'm going to add a little bit more to the video to try to show you how it looks and how everything is set up. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it real quick, and we'll see how it looks. Kind of tore the box up a little bit, but it'll be fine, because probably going to just throw the box away anyway. So let's get this off real quick. Tape's kind of on here kind of good. Okay, so I got it. Had to get it with one hand. So as you can see, it comes with the actual connector with the HDMI cable. Sit right here. It comes with a user guide, which was actually I found this on the website. I like how they have the pictures in here, how to set everything up, and there's a thank you card here as well. So it's nice. And to open this up, we're gonna open this up real quick. So here's the HD link right here, cable. Hooks into the back of the Xbox. And the HDMI cable, which is 6 feet long, is right here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and... so this video will show how to hook everything up. This is my original Xbox right here. Basically, I'm going to hook this back piece up real quick. I'll go ahead and put this right here. And then basically this piece here, I'm going to stick it right here so it goes in. Other way. So basically it just goes in the back here. Make sure it's nice and snug. Then I take my HDMI cable and I hook it up here. Sorry for the bad quality. If you can't see a lot of stuff, I apologize. Kind of hard doing all this with a single hand, so a pair of hands. So let me take this HDMI cable off. So basically this part here, it goes into the HDMI port. This hooks up. So basically this part will hook up into this snug. Then this part goes out into the actual TV set. And then of course you will need your power cord, which I already have. It's actually right here. And I got a mess of cables right here, so I apologize. So let me get this. So I got a cable right here. So hook this up right here. And I gotta just set it up now. Make sure that goes on right. Now I should have power. So I'm gonna go ahead and configure all this real quick, and I'll be Well, I hooked everything up. This is the pound cable right here. It's hooked up to my HDMI. Some reason my Elgato HD60S is not getting any sound for some reason. I've been having this issue for a little while. I think it's maybe something with the I guess with a setting maybe, because I have another capture card that's a little cheaper, and it's I can get the sound out of that for some reason, but this one I cannot get sound. So I gotta see, but but what I'll do is I'll just make a video with the other capture card to just show, I guess, how it looks. But I mean, it's pretty easy to use. Looks good. I already kind of set it up to 1080. It's going to be 1080i instead of 1080p. But this is a good solution, I think. If you don't have an old component TV set or a converter like this one, I actually have a converter here that converts it from a component to a HDMI, but I don't need it anymore. So yeah, I recommend it. I'll put a link out in the description, and what I'll do is I'll make a little short video to add to this at the end to just show a few minutes of gameplay. I'm playing the original Need for Speed Underground. So thanks for watching, okay?
Grand hustle.